What's happening? This your boy Keenan. I'm about to show you how to make my orange rub that I use on pork. Use 2 tablespoons of Goya bitter orange. 1 tablespoon Goya total seasoning. Tablespoon of garlic powder. 1.5 tablespoons onion powder. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon ground mustard. Tablespoon of paprika. Teaspoon of black pepper. 2 packages of this. 1 pack of this. 1/4 cup packed brown sugar. 1/4 cup of this. You know what it is. If you ask me again, I'm going to tell you the same. Mix up real well. Put in a jar. Shake it up. Store in the refrigerator. For more tips and recipes, check me out on YouTube. Keenan just felt like cooking. 1.